Now, Wave 31 Storm Tracker Chief Meteorologist Jeff Castle with 31 Triple Doppler.
Well, you have been talking about how we are near that record-breaking heat. Just how far away are we from it?
We're going to be pretty close, within a couple degrees on some of the days coming up. We maybe will see some record warmth. It's certainly a possibility.
Yeah.
And it's only April. We're talking about this. A little early to be talking 90 degrees, but possibility by the end of the week, Friday. That's what our current forecast is. On average, we don't see that first 90-degree day in the Rocket City until around mid-May. So this, although not unheard of, would be early for that to occur. The record on Friday, by the way, is 90 degrees. That was last set back in 2006. And on Saturday, we may make a run high into the 80s, and the record for that date also sits at the 90-degree mark. So we will be close. There are going to be some other days this week as well where we're going to be running high into the 80s. What we need is rain. Just not real excited about the chances. We might sneak in a little wet weather Thursday. I'm hoping maybe that looks better as we get closer, but right now I'm not convinced. And then over the weekend, there's going to be a cold front that will move through. That will likely bring some showers, maybe some rumbles of thunder with it. But again, right now I'm not going to get overly excited about it because the prospects just aren't looking real promising. Certainly, we're not going to pick up significant rainfall to get us out of the current drought situation, which when we get that update Thursday of this week, I expect will be worse than what I had to show you last week. This is that rainfall forecast next 7 days. We keep looking at this. We keep looking at the data, thinking that eventually all this rain that you see back through parts of the plains and the Midwest is finally going to make some progress into the southeast. We're just not really seeing it yet. Again, Thursday, we might sneak in a couple showers. I think there's a better chance we'll pick up a little rain over the weekend, but it's not going to amount to much. If you match it up on the scale here, the green colors, less than an inch of rain. In fact, we're probably talking on average maybe a quarter to half an inch, and that is likely going to be it over the next week. That's not going to do it for us. Certainly isn't going to alleviate the fire danger as well. Of course, we had the red flag warning yesterday, didn't have it today, but there is going to remain an elevated fire danger in the days ahead, including tomorrow. That does include a large part of North Alabama and points off to our north and east. So that is just something to keep in mind, that fire weather concern is going to continue to be with us. If you had not heard this, the Alabama Forestry Commission did issue a statewide fire alert today. That goes until next Monday. Basically, you cannot burn if you do not have a permit, and they're only issuing those permits to people that do prescribed burns. So just keep that in mind. If you are caught burning without authorization, you may be subject to prosecution. So just don't do it, not only for that, but just for the safety of what's around you and your neighbors and all of that. Just hold off until we get better conditions out there that lowers that fire risk. What we need is rain. We don't have it on 31 Triple Doppler this evening. We're not going to see anything overnight tonight. Skies will clear a bit while you're sleeping, and tomorrow should be a little bit sunnier than today. Another dry day and another warm one on the way for you Tuesday. Wednesday perhaps brings a few more clouds, but they will be lacking enough moisture to produce any rainfall. And then on Thursday, we might sneak in a couple showers. You're going to see that here on future radar as we take you through the day Thursday. But right now, those prospects just don't look real promising. And if we see any wet weather Thursday, it's going to be light in nature. Tonight, we'll cool back into the 50s to lower 60s. Tomorrow, we steadily warm up, mid-70s at 10, 80 around the noon hour, and expect to see middle and perhaps some upper 80s as we work our way on into your Tuesday afternoon. Pretty much the same story through the end of the week. Again, Friday, we could hit 90. We'll be running into the upper 80s on Saturday as well. There is a cold front that comes in for the weekend, and you do see the temperature drop associated with that. We'll go back into the 70s for highs for a couple days. May see overnight temperatures dipping back into the 40s, and then as we work our way towards the middle of next week, likely back around the 80-degree mark.